So for this challenge I chose to do Evernote, and my two notebooks are exercise and baking. So for baking, I did mine about piping, tiered cakes, fondant brownies, and macaroons, and how to make those better, because those are my most enjoyed. Go back to the list of my notes, go to exercise. My exercises, or my notes that I made about exercise, are what not to do, tips and tricks for better outcomes, yoga, my morning routine, and HIIT exercises that I really enjoy. So for the web note, so what I'm going to go do is go to exercises, and then this is the website that I have, and it's the whole website. Those are my notes, additional notes of it. And how I did that was I went to whatever site I'm on, and then I click this, and this I can either choose a screenshot to bookmark a specific article or the full page, and I wanted the full page so I could see all the outcomes on it. So I'm going to click full page, and then I'm going to save the clip. So it's going to save this whole thing again, and it's going to add it back onto my Evernote notebook. So it's syncing, and so we're going to view it to make sure it's actually there, which on this it's going to come up a screen, which is not your Evernote site. This is just a simplified area for it. And then I'm going to go back to this and refresh it just to make sure it gets on there again, which I think it did. Yes, so it's here again. And so go back and show you my baking article for it. 11 things you need to know about the baking, and that's the site that I use, and I really like this article, which isn't necessarily affected with baking because you don't really use salt for much baking material, but this is what I got.